Hi, my friend. I am Sahil from serverfather.com. Today we can see the ISPmanager. ISPmanager is hosting control panel from ISPsystem.com. ISPsystem.com is providing different kind of hosting software. Let's see how many hosting software ISP System is providing. So first is a BillManager, second is ISPmanager, and third is VMManager for virtualization solution, and DCIManager for data center management. If you want to find the help and support, so just go to doc&ispsystem.com. You have a complete guide of about all products of ISP system. And today we can see how to install ISPmanager. So in ISPmanager there are two kinds of version. First is a Lite and second is a business. Let's see what is the difference between a Lite version and a business version. So in a Lite version you can manage your personal server, and in business version you can resell the hosting. First is web service management. You find it in both different permission to users, backup systems also in a Lite version, data import from remote server, files and database management, branding options. So it's only in a €4, and if you need more services, like more facilities like managed servers from centralized locations, reselling functions, server roles, resource statistics, and cloud Linux advantages, so just go to business version of ISPmanager. It's a good, and let's see which operating system needed for installation. So there is a two version, Lite and a business version. In CentOS 6.6 you can see same operating system is supported, but ISPmanager 5.23 is used in a Lite version and a business version 5.30. Same operating system here in a Lite and a business version, but the version of ISPmanager is a different. Now here you find the different. Ubuntu 1.04 LTS is supported in a Lite version, and in a business version Cloud Linux 6.6. Installation is a very easy. Just download the file of installation install.sh and run the script. When you run the script you can find the port 1500/ISPmanager, login and password of your root password. You can easily access the ISPmanager. And today we can see how to install ISPmanager. So first of all we see which version of Linux is installed. Here is a CentOS Linux release 7.1. So for installation of ISPmanager Lite version we run only two commands. Here is the first command, wget http://cdn.ispsystem.com/install.sh, and then enter. Once we have, installation is very easy. Now you have a two option for installation. First is a stable version and second is a beta version. So we will go through beta stable version. Okay, select S, and now we install the ISPmanager. First option, and here you got the another more option, and we choose the one ISPmanager Lite with recommended software, first one. Now it's started of installation of ISPmanager. And the process is started of installation. Here you can see the basic installation steps are started. Necessary packages are started installation. Here you see ISPmanager Lite version installation is completed, and now we can go on this link to check. Here we are on authorization, login, root, now password, and login. Agree the basic license agreement. Now you are using the trial version. Okay, so you have to active the license. Click on a license. Here it's needed a license, and we have the license here. Activation key. Now your license is activated. It's a very easy to use the ISPmanager.